Hey everybody, Rob DeLessio, Taste of Retirement. I'm at Baba Indian Restaurant in the beautiful neighborhood of Oakley, which is in Cincinnati. I'm with my good friend Gary and Pawan, and today what we're doing is a Tandoori Chicken, traditional Indian cuisine. We've got some saag, which is from northern India, and then the most amazing smelling naan of all time. Come on, let me show you how we do it. Here we go, Tandoori Chicken. A classic Indian dish. Don't forget, go to our YouTube page, subscribe, you'll see amazing content just like this. All right, Gary, what exactly are we gonna do?
So we are making a tandoori chicken. That's a North Indian dish. It dates back like 2500 BC or something, they say.
Wow, that's a lot.
Like
4,000 years ago?
I haven't lived that long, but it is one of the most popular dishes in our restaurant. In all Indian American restaurants over here, even in India, it's very popular.
It is popular in India.
So basically, predominantly, it's from the northern region of India, Punjab and adjoining. Even it happens to be in Pakistan, Punjab.
Gotcha.
So it's basically from that subcontinent region.
Okay. All right. So what are we gonna do?
So we are. This is the marinade. This is the base for the marinade. That's the yogurt, chicken.
Okay.
Obviously, you have to have that. Without
And
that,
these are
there's no
smaller
thing.
birds, right?
These are little smaller birds, so
Okay.
they tend to be more succulent.
Absolutely, it tastes better.
Yeah. Yes.
100%.
And this is ginger garlic paste.
Ginger garlic paste?
Yeah. These are spices.
So what do you have in there? Curry?
Curry powder, coriander, asafoetida, and cumin, black pepper, little of turmeric.
So that's where the heat comes from?
Yes, it does.
So now, do you like your food spicy?
I'm a wimp.
You're a wimp.
I like it spicy, but not too spicy.
Gotcha. Perfect.
It
And then
should
we've
be
got
balanced.
sugar. Is that sugar?
That's a salt. That's
Okay.
salt. It's
Salt,
salt to the
okay.
taste. Yeah.
Okay. Awesome.
And
And then we've got
this is food coloring.
Food coloring makes that nice red
Yes.
flavor.
Normally in India we use
the spice.
spices.
But we can't
chili
handle
powder.
the spice here.
But it's because of the kids come to the restaurant and there are some
Right. You gotta
less
make it
spicy
so they can
people.
handle, so they can eat it.
And this is lemon juice.
Lemon juice. Okay. So let's get started. Tell me about what got you into the food business. Like, did you grow up in the food business, or?
No, my background is into teaching, but when I moved to the States, the family, my in-law family, our mentor and owner, Jesse Singh, he has been in this business since 1998, 99.
98?
Yes.
Okay, so a long time, 21 years. Yeah. Wow.
It's been, our first location was opened in 2003.
So it's been around 27 years, and you have
Yes.
3 locations, is that right?
4 locations.
4 locations. Awesome.
Yes. One in northern Kentucky.
Gotcha.
So
And
he's
then
adding
3
all
over
the
here.
spices into it. This marinade has to sit at least
Overnight?
overnight. Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
So then all
it
the
up.
spices will get into that.
So basically, you're saying Parm's the man, though. He knows exactly what's going on.
He knows. He's been working since like what, 99, 98, something like that. About 22 years.
Nice.
Yeah.
Indian cuisine's some of my favorites, absolute favorite. And you have a big, like with COVID, you had a big takeout business, like that helped out?
Yes.
That's great.
Yes. But our lunch buffet used to be very popular.
Hopefully that'll be
and
back.
This is a staple for the lunch.
100%.
Yeah.
That tikka masala.
Yes. So this chicken we use it as tandoori chicken, and we shred
And you use it.
shred it and use it in chicken tikka masala, butter chicken, and chicken ajwain. We use it. So this will
But
be shredded.
goat also.
We do.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So taking the whole bird. Just let it soak in there.
Yes.
And preferably overnight, or at least 4 or 5 hours, something like that.
At least 4 hours.
Okay. So the chicken's been marinating overnight, obviously. It looks beautiful. You can see how that color's really taken hold.
Yeah.
We've got a tandoor oven, hence the name Tandoori Chicken. It's about, what, 700-ish degrees in there?
Around there.
Give or take.
Yes.
Super, super hot. So what exactly are we going to do right now?
So we are putting it on the skewer, and we'll be dropping it
Drop it into the oven.
Yes, and it would remain there for like what, 45 minutes?
45 minutes,
Yeah,
give or
around
take.
40 to 45.
Obviously, make sure the
Yeah.
chicken's kicked you out. All right, let's see what we're doing. I mean, it smells absolutely unbelievable. That looks a little painful. All right, so we're doing saag. Saag's one of the most popular dishes there is. You said it's from northern India, right?
Yes.
And so over there, they normally they don't use spinach though, right?
They do.
They do use spinach.
Yeah.
But they use rapini also?
Yes.
Gotcha. So we started with a base, and that's what? That's spices like pepper and what else?
Curry powder.
Curry
turmeric.
powder, cumin.
Yeah.
Gotcha. And that just
fenugreek.
simmers down, right? And just breaks down.
Yes.
And then we're gonna make the final dish here, right?
Yes.
All right, so what are we gonna do?
So we are taking the saag, a cup. We take a little butter.
Little butter?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because normally the spinach is very dry.
Right, so you wanna
So-
make some moisture?
So this is a korma sauce we prepare. It's a tomato based and cream based.
Tomato and cream base.
Yes.
Gotcha.
So we put a little of this
Just a little of that, let it,
Yes.
that and the butter gets it nice and rich,
Yes.
moist.
and let
Do
it.
you make this different spice levels also?
Yes.
Okay.
How spicy do you want?
Makes no difference. I'm kind of a baby too, so, or what'd you say? You said wimpy, so.
A little
A
of curry
little
powder.
bit there.
Touch of curry powder. So let us sit over here. We'll add a little more cream
Little cream. Look how happy that looks.
and touch of fenugreek seed.
Fenugreek seasoning.
Yes. This will give you more aroma.
Looks amazing. Smells so good. So did you cook, like, I mean, before you came over, you said you came over here, when was that again?
2008.
2008.
Yeah.
Did you cook before you came here, or you started cooking here?
Little bit of.
Little bit.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
I used to stay in a boarding school, so we had to do that.
Gotcha. Now, who does all the cooking at home? You?
In Indian homes, normally the house ladies, they do the cooking.
Is that right?
Yes.
Gotcha. God, it smells unbelievable. I cannot wait to try it. All right, so this is it. We're just going to mix this up, and then we're going to plate it up,
Yeah.
and then we'll wrap a bow on it. And there you have it. Traditional tandoori chicken, smells unbelievable. Saag, the best naan you've ever had in your entire life. Don't forget, go to our YouTube page and subscribe, and you'll see amazing content just like this. My good friend Gary, my good friend Parm, Baba Indian Restaurant. You've got to come. It's in Oakley, in Cincinnati. You have got to try this place. I'm Rob D'Alessio, and that was A Taste of Retirement.